YouTube.
100.
Damn, that just fucked up everything. Anyway, YouTube. What's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy, G, Kevin on this. Y'all know the rest. But today, man, we fixing up the charger, bro. I've been low key. I feel like I've been neglecting my baby. So that's what we're doing today. Today we are fixing up the charger. Yeah, man. We got the tires in the back. As you can see, I got my fucking burnt one. I don't know if I'm pointing in the right direction, but got my burnt one. I got two other ones. I got one in the back, or two in the back. So I'm gonna go get those. What the fuck? That nigga just threw a tantrum, bro. I can't even see him. He just threw a tantrum. He threw his phone. That nigga threw a mean ass tantrum. Oh, his car broke down. I threw a tantrum too if my shit broke down, no cap. Like these tires put on. I get my bumper today. So that'll really just be damn, I forgot my fucking hair. That'll really make my car look back to normal, really, with my bumper back. And then niggas can just go from there, really. But I need to find this fucking tire shop, because I dead ass don't know where the fuck is at. It's somewhere around here, I know it is. I just don't know how far I went last time. I know it's somewhere over here though. It's close. It's not that far. But then my car is dusty, so I don't know if I might wash it today. I might not. But it's just dusty. Like, it's just pollen, bro. Because it's like, it's been windy. So, hella pollen and shit. But for the most part, I'm just getting it back ready. I'm just getting my shit back together with my car. I've been not really neglecting it, but I done felt down about I felt a little bit down about my car, seeing my shit without no bumper, so I've been kind of neglecting my shit and just doing that shit with it. But I'm getting it back. Trust me, I'm getting that shit back, and it's gonna look way better. So what I'm gonna do is, since I'm running so much, bro, I'm gonna see if I can get, if they got 275s, some used 275s, and just put them bitches on there. Put some fucking 275s on there, and then in the front I'm gonna do 245, and I'm gonna see from there. So hopefully they do. Hopefully he got some 275s on there, and then we can figure that shit out. Alright, YouTube, so we are back. We got all 4 tires changed. They didn't have no fucking 275s, bro. And that's just low-key irritating me, but it is what it is. I mean, niggas got fucking scats and shit like that, so niggas is out here buying up all the 275s. So, I mean, it is what it is. I did end up just putting all of the 245s that I did have in my car already. Well, I already, not the same ones, but for the most part, the 245s I already had, or the ones I was about to put on anyway. I have 4 of them anyway, so I'll just put them on for the time being, because I do need the tires. But I do need to go on the Woodworks and find some 275s. Find some 275s and then go on about my day. They didn't charge that much. That place is pretty cheap, which is why I always go there. I tried going somewhere different today, and the nigga told me he couldn't do it. So I guess he just didn't want the fucking money. So it is what it is. So I'll try to go somewhere different, try to show some love somewhere else. And the motherfucker said he didn't have it, so it is what it is. Fuck it. What else do I need to go get my bumper. So I'm gonna get my bumper. I'm gonna put it on. And once I'm done with that, I'm really done putting my car back together. But my bumper came out clean as fuck. So like, I'm gonna show y'all, cause I seen it through pictures, but like seeing it in person is like totally different. But it did come out clean. I do know I need to get the fucking the little eyelid thing for under the headlight, because I don't know where the fuck that's at, bro. So if anybody has an old bumper that they not using no more and they wanna either sell me or give me the fucking little eyelid thing under the little piece under the headlight, go ahead, bless your boy, or hit me up. I'll definitely buy that shit. Or if y'all do 3D printing and y'all want to try to 3D print that shit, I can send y'all the other one. Y'all could 3D, try to 3D print it and go from there. But other than that, shit's going smooth. All right, YouTube. So as y'all can see, your boy got his wheels back on. I got my wheels back on. Hold on. Rims is back in effect, and boy, that shit looks so good. It looks so good. I still gotta clip this shit on. I just never did it. I got impatient. I just wanted that bitch on and I wanted to go home, but it's dusty too. But I'm telling y'all, this pollen is going crazy. Yeah, your boy got his car back looking nice, boy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That shit look clean now. Alright, YouTube, so I real life don't do shit like this. I usually don't be in my room when I wanna just yap or vent about some shit. But today I'm gonna do it in my room. See if it's really a difference. Maybe y'all might like it in my room when I'm doing my yapping sessions. I don't know, bro. But today is really like a venting session, I guess. I really just wanted to see if I'm touching bases with, y'all in this situation, because like maybe y'all feel the same way and some shit like that. But something I'm really starting to realize, bro, is that I'm a shitty ass friend. Like, I'm not consistent enough to be someone's best friend, or like friend in general, really. Like, even in relationships, I'm not consistent enough to be somebody's like boyfriend, or like even husband. I'm not consistent enough, like, cause I get in my modes to where like my only focus really just be on whatever the fuck I'm focused on. So like, if I'm focused on money and that's all I'm focused on, I'm not focused on the relationship, love, none of that shit. Like, I real life don't be caring, and maybe that's just me. Like, and it'd be bad, cause like I be trying to show emotions in certain situations and I just can't. And it's just bad, like, cause I just disappear and I really don't be giving a fuck no more. And I be in a mood to where like, if you don't text me, I don't talk to you back. Like, I don't call nobody that don't call me. If you don't text me, I don't text you. And I just be focused on what the fuck I need to be focused on. So if I'm focusing on getting me a new car, if I'm focusing on getting some money, that's all I'm focused on, bro. I don't really focus on nothing else. And yeah, maybe I'm just repeating myself, but it's just something I started to realize as I got older. I don't give myself time to go have fun, or go see family or friends, or like hang out with somebody I'm talking to, because I'm be focused on something totally different. If I'm focusing on achieving my dream, that's all I'm focused on, and that's all I'll be focused on. If I'm just focused on getting money, I'm focused on getting money. But it's like literally the most fun I have right now, because I'm so focused on YouTube and shit like that. The most fun I have now is literally driving home from work. Like, and that shit probably sound boring as fuck, but like, my only focus right now is really just getting money. Just getting money, fucking, and blowing up on YouTube or doing some shit like that. Like, that's my only focus really right now. And like, don't get me wrong, like I was at a point in my life to where like all I cared about was a relationship and being in love and having somebody love me, to protect me, shit like that. And that's all I was locked in on. And that was, honestly, I feel like that was my worst decision ever. was to really focus on just a relationship and being in love, bro. That shit brought me so much fucking hurt in my fucking heart, bro. No bullshit. Like, I never felt another pain like that in my life, and I don't think I'd never do that shit again to where I'm just focused on just the relationship. Never again, bruh. But like, yeah, there was a point where I was just locked into shit like that, and like now all I care about is really just this. And maybe it's because like no one shows they really care about me or something like that. Like, not saying like nobody really care about me. I have people that care about me, but it's like they don't. I don't feel it enough. That makes sense. Like, not saying like my friends and shit like that, like people that really check in on me and shit like that don't care about me. I have 4 people. I can count 4 people on my fucking hand right now that really consistently, if they see something wrong, like something's wrong in my face, or they know like some shit coming up, they'll really come check in with me. Like, they'll really come ask me how I'm feeling and shit like that. And not really many people fucking do that for me. Like, there's people I reach out to and I make sure they good, but like certain people, nah. So like, yeah. So like, I just don't be caring enough to really care about you, you know what I mean? So it's like, yeah, like even me and my friends right now, like me and my friends, we all the same people, for real. Like, we literally all the same people. When they focus in on some shit, they focus in on that shit, and they not stopping until they achieve it. You know what I mean? But like, we all in like a group chat, and like we all, like, we disappear for like 2-3 weeks, and then we randomly hop in a group chat like, yo, I miss y'all niggas. Hop on the game. Like, we do shit like that, but that's all because we all the same fucking person, really. We all think alike. We all do the same shit. We all really wanted something at a point of time in our life, and we ended up in a bad situation, and that shit has made it all worse. But it's like the headspace I be in, like, I think like, okay, I wouldn't be in the situation I'm in right now if I didn't focus on just that one thing, if that makes sense. Like, I wouldn't have my car. I wouldn't fucking have none of this shit, like the YouTube subscribers, none of that shit. I wouldn't be nowhere where I wanted to be in life if I didn't focus on just that one fucking thing. You know what I mean? So it's like, maybe I'm wrong for that. Maybe I need to be able to multitask or some shit, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm not a consistent enough person to be the person that somebody wants to be in their life. You know what I mean? I just feel like I ain't that person. I don't feel like I'm built to be that dude, if that makes sense. But like, yeah, like, I don't want to keep yapping on about it. That's just really how I feel. And maybe y'all feel the same way. Maybe y'all can give me like advice and maybe like tell me like, oh yeah, nigga, you wrong type shit, or like some shit like that. I don't know. Like, maybe y'all feel the same way. Y'all could be like, yo, like, I feel the same exact fucking way, nigga. Like, I don't know. But let's get back to this fucking video. That's my yapping session for fucking today. So, all right, YouTube. So it is the next day. I got the tires mounted on, got my bumper put back on. Now I'm finna install some side markers. I ended up getting these a couple days ago, and they RGB. So, but I'm gonna keep them mostly green because that just looks way better. So, got some little RGB ones, shit like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all like the small details of me putting the bitches on for the most part. So, putting the bitches over there, so I turn my wheel and shit like that. So yeah, I'm gonna get that shit done. Give y'all a small little time lapse, I guess, of me doing it. Because yeah, so I need fucking these dumbass shits Got a fucking screwdriver. I don't even know if the full screwdriver ain't in there, as you can fucking see. So I don't know where the fuck that shit's at. But I'll find it and then show y'all. Oh shit, right here. So Bet's keys. Do that, get that shit done, and I'll show y'all how I look when I'm done. All right, y'all, so I got this one out. Just gotta unplug it now. Got the little 2 screws. Where the fuck I put them? There's one of them right here. So what you do next is get your little prying tool. Come up in here. Well, I really can't do it with fucking one hand, but you come up in here and you just lift this tab up and it should just slide off. Pretty simple. So we are back. It took me more than fucking 10 minutes, bro. But as y'all can see, I got it done. And that shit looks fire, no cap. That shit look fire as hell. It go with the green too. Woo. All right, but yeah, man, got that shit done. So that's looking good, looking great. And really, that's all I'm doing for right now. It is some more shit on the way. Yeah, some more shit on the way. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm going straight for performance now, really. So y'all gonna be seeing more tuning, me install more engine parts, shit like that, because that's more so what I'm going for now. Cosmetic wise, I'm done. That's how I want my car, besides for getting wrapped. So that'll be it for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.